one funnel away worth it. I don't know. What's it worth it to you to find out what the structure looks like for $1 million an hour business? Did you catch what I just said?
You can't handle the truth.
Russell made a comment. I heard him make a comment once. He said, it doesn't matter whether you're making $100 a day, $1,000 a day, $10,000 a day, $100,000 a day, $100,000 an hour, $1 million an hour, structure's still the same. And I'm sitting going, took a step back. What?
Model someone who is already getting the results that you want. If you want to accelerate the tempo of mastery, find somebody that's already getting the result and figure out how they do it and do the same thing. Success leaves what? Clues.
When you understand the depth of what he's teaching you, oh my goodness, you just get like this all of a sudden. It's on like Donkey Kong. I'm talking about there's a level, there is a freedom that comes along with knowing and understanding and finally understanding how the game is really played. And it's freeing. It can take you into an emotional place very, very quickly, because all of a sudden, all the self-doubt, all the answers, you now have all the answers. All the self-doubt has been answered. All the questions about why you failed before, answered. That in and of itself was worth the whole thing, because I got to the place of understanding where I was no longer feeling like, what's wrong with me? How come I can't figure this out? If you want to get to that level of understanding, click the link in the description. Get started today. I had gotten to that place of understanding how the game is really played. Click the link in the description. Get started. Peace.